Here's ZETA AI Chat Live Stories, #1 AI chatting app. AI characters made just for you. Up until now, ZETA has created more than 2.5 million characters, with usage time averaging to more than 2 hours. How fun could it be? So characters, unlimited free chats, all you need to know is imagination. You choose your story, privacy is guaranteed. So a lot of feedback, a lot of updates. There is right now a crisis with Chai app. Where Chai app is becoming kind of paid only. So that's why there are a lot of alternatives. And then you can just open it up. So let's open ZETA AI. Easily create an account with Apple or Google. That's kind of the idea. And then you can just start chatting. So that's kind of the idea of the app. Free chats, 50 chats for free per day. You receive 50. So there are some campaigns how you can get some more free chats. And then you can see the model in here. Then you can see some messages, and then you can see your profile. So that's kind of the idea. Then you can have some pieces which you can then just buy. So that's kind of the idea of it. And then you can just leave chat room. So that's kind of the idea. You can create your own profiles. ZETA Pass, so you can subscribe for $15 monthly. Edit profile, share profile. They don't have any referral codes, unfortunately, invite codes. But yeah, that's what it is.